Moving on to 6th question. இப்போ 6th questionல என்ன இருக்கு? You have a product. போன questionல you had division. Here you have product. So productல என்ன பண்ணோம்? U, V ஓட derivative என்ன? V, U dash plus U, V dash. No denominator and no minus sign. So இப்போ இதோட df by dx என்ன? This is my f of x. So I have V, U dash. So this is my U and this is my V. So இப்போ first U, V என்ன எழுதிக்கலாமா? So I have U to be, we'll find the derivative later. We'll do the substitution later. So first I'm going to write U is equal to cos of x cube and V is equal to sin square x to the power 5. In the terms complicated. So first U and V and edikla. So I have du divided by dx, or I can also write this as U dash. So what is my U dash? Cos or the derivative is going to be minus sin of, what is my theta? X cube. I need to find my d by dx of x cube also. So what is d by dx of x cube? Times 3x square. You agree? I'll just move this aside. So I have 3x square. So what is it going to be? Minus 3x square times sin of x cube. So this is my derivative of cos of x cube. Now v or derivative kandupidikalama. So what is v or derivative? It is going to be, I'll bring it here. So I have v dash is going to be, I can rewrite v as sin of x to the power 5 the whole square. Correct? So first this is of the form x to the n. So n x to the n minus 1. The power comes down and the power becomes minus 1. So I have 2 times sin of x to the power 5 and to the power 1 times sin or derivative cos. So cos of x to the power 5. Then x to the power 5 or derivative it is going to be 5x to the 4. Clear? So this is a chain reaction mari. Chain derivative kandupidichite varano. So what is my final answer? இந்த இடத்துல 5 இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல 2 இருக்கு. So 5 2s are 10 times x to the power 4 in the x to the power 4. Then I have sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5. So this is my v dash. So I found out what my u dash is and what my v dash is. Now simply substitute panna vendida. So I have df divided by dx is going to be v u dash. V enna? It is sin square x to the power 5 times u dash. U dash enna? It is going to be minus 3x square sin of x cube plus u v dash. What is my u? It is going to be cos x cube times v dash. V dash enna? 10x to the 4. I'll write it in the next line. Sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5. Okay. So this, when I simplify, what will I get? In the இடத்துல minus 3 irukku. I'll take the minus 3 outside. I have sin square x to the power 5 sin of x cube plus, what are my constants here? 10. Then x to the power 4 times sin x to the power 5 cos x to the power 5 times cos of x cube. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 7. So in the இடத்துல it is not, the square root is a separate term and this is multiplied by 2. Okay. So this is 2 root x. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. It is not the square root of x. The 2 does not depict the square root. Okay. Please understand that. So இப்போ இங்க என்னென்ன termsலாம் இருக்கு? I have a root x term. So root x ஓட derivative என்ன? d by dx of root x is going to be 1 divided by 2 root x. So 1 divided by 2 root x and I have cot x. So what is my derivative of cot x? d by dx of cot x is going to be minus cosecant square x. So this is my derivative of cot x. அதுக்கப்புறம் உள்ள x square term இருக்கு. So now I need to differentiate each and every term. So this is my f of x. So what is my df divided by dx? It is going to be 2 times, 2 is a constant, times d by dx of square root term. So square root of cot of x square equal to 2 times d by dx of root x enna? It is going to be 1 divided by 2 root x. What is my x here? Cot of x square. But inside the root function, I do not have simply x. In the இடத்துல ஒரு cot function இருக்கா? So I need to differentiate the cot that I have here. So it is d by dx of the cot function. Cot of x square. What is my next step? The 2 and the 2 is going to get cancelled. 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. So I have 1 divided by square root of cot of x square times d by dx of cot x. Cot x or derivative enna? Minus cosecant square x. So it is going to be, put a bracket, minus cosecant square x. What is my x in this case? X square. இப்போ d by dx of x square பண்ணணும். So d by dx of x square. So what am I left with? Minus cosecant square x square inside the cosecant function divided by square root of cot of x square times d by dx of x square, and it is simply going to be 2x. Put it inside a bracket. So what is my final answer? Minus 2x times cosecant square x square, the whole divided by square root of cot of x square. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 8. This is also very easy. So இப்போ இங்க என்னென்ன functions இருக்கு? Cos இருக்கு, root x இருக்கு. So only two different functions. So I have df divided by dx is going to be d by dx of cos of root x. So first d by dx of cos and cos or derivative is sin x, which is sin of root x. Then d by dx of root x again. So what is my derivative of root x? It is going to be the first term remains the same, sin of root x times 1 divided by 2 root x. In the root x in the root x cancel பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Okay, this is inside the sign and this is a separate term. Okay, please understand that. Now I have minus sin of root x divided by 2 root x. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy.